Hi, I'm Theodore, and the question was about happiness. A friend of mine said to me, I am not happy, I'm just miserable. And, when you're not happy, you can cause yourself to become sick. You can cause yourself to make everything in your life to be something that's bothering you or hurting you. It's like nothing that you have can't do any difference for you because you're feeling sad. So even if you have nice things happen to you, you cannot recognize them because you can see past how you feel. So the first rule over here is to remember that you make your own happiness. So happiness is not a whole deal. Happiness is every day, like every little thing that happens to you, every little thing that somebody say or do, every little positive thing that comes to your life. You turn that upside down and you bring that to yourself and you say, that makes me very happy. And when you add everything up, you're gonna be a happy person. Positive people are usually happy people, negative people are usually unhappy people. So try to be positive. Try to be positive about things that happen to you. Try to learn the lessons that you have to learn in your life. And one day you're going to wake up and you're going to say, yeah, I'm really, really happy. Good vibrations.